हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आई नो मैं थोड़ी सी स्वॉलन लग रही हूँ, लेकिन आई जस्ट वोक अप एंड टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू माय डिटॉक्स रूटीन फॉर लॉकडाउन. यू कैन ऑल्सो डू इट एट योर होम. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग आई हैव इन द मॉर्निंग इज दिस सोक्ड आलमंड. ये आपकी हेल्थ के लिए बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, आपके बालों के लिए भी बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. But make sure you are eating with its chilka. You are not removing it because it has so many fibers and good qualities. So I will have this and I will meet you afterwards. So summers are here and मैं यहाँ पे अपने breakfast में लेने वाली हूँ ये आम. And make sure you are eating more fruits and more vegetables during your detox routine. And green vegetables are best. I eat 2 kakadis per day. And let's see what happens next. फिलहाल के लिए mango are my. So this is musk melon and this is my meat. Melon is naturally sweet and it helps to reduce your anxiety and it calms down your mind because it has natural sweetness. I can't explain this enough, but it has very natural sweetness and it will also help to digest easily. So whatever you eat, like junk and all that. So take a break from your normal eating routine and eat some fruits. So this is my meal and I will meet you at snack time around 6 p.m. Bye guys. Okay, so we are on the last meal of the day. I told you I will meet you on snack time, but I fall asleep and then I didn't had anything. So let's make some oats for my dinner. And I'll show you. I am going to cook ready-made oats because I don't have patience to make masala and everything. So I am going to cook ready-made oats. So let's go to the kitchen. I was talking about. This is my oats. It is ready to eat. This is my diary. I will write some of my thoughts. I am watching right now Mridul Sharma. After finishing my oats, I will write something and I will complete this video of Mridul Sharma. She is my favorite YouTuber. And then I'm going to take 2 glasses of warm water and then I will go to sleep. But I'm not gonna shoot that because I'm so tired and I have to remove this makeup. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you want to subscribe my channel, it is totally free. And yeah, let me know in the comment section what else you want to watch on my channel. Thank you and stay safe, stay home. Bye guys.